teaching you how to make a simple movement of a cube in Unity. So right now I have Unity started and I'm just going to show you the demo. Okay, so you can see this is the green character. It's moving, jumping and shooting. I think I will do the shooting. Well, we'll see about it later. If I get time, I will show you the enemy AI. It's currently work in progress. It just follows you and keeps you up at a distance. I just have to include the shooting script and etc. on that thing. Okay, so now I will be just opening Unity in the second part and showing you guys. Just pause it, open new Unity over here. So right now we have tutorials main and this scene is just pretty much black. We have a main camera with this perspective and nothing. So right now I will just make a simple plane. Okay, so now I have the plane. Now I just want to position my camera according to it. Okay, it's not straight. I think that's somewhere in the middle. Well, it's just a tutorial, so I won't go that much about the camera position. If you have time, you can just customize it the way you want. I think I should take it a little bit closer. And oops, I don't know why my PC is heating up, so we'll just ignore that fact. My PC is getting on. Okay, so now I just want to create a new material. Where's the material? Okay, over here. I'm not good at choosing color. Just name it player. And let's see what this thing can be nice. And drag it on the player. Let's create a new material and name it flow. And take it something like yellow. I'm just finding the right shade. Yeah, I guess this is the right shade. Okay. So now we have a high contrast color scheme going on. And right now you just want to name it tag player and just move this aside over here and add a rigid body. So everything is correct. Constants, and you just want to freeze all rotations. Okay, didn't care. Oops, why did I freeze the position? Okay, now that's done, you can see, and now I'm just going to drag it to this side. I did nothing else. So now we'll create a new C# script. I don't know why I'm stuffing up words. Player movement. That is done. Now let me just run and see if the ball falls down. So I'm just waiting for it to, okay, it's falling down. Let's just test it a little bit more. Okay. It is. Now it's open. Visual Studio. It might take a while, so let us wait a while. So in this thing we're just going to be using the rigid body just to make sure that's smooth. We're not going to be using transform or anything. It is easy with transform as the speed is constant, but with rigid body speed is not constant. It's a little difficult, but you get the real physics simulations, like for instance pushing the block and that stuff. Well, if you have used Unity before, you might understand what I am speaking. If you have not, you just see what I do. Okay, so now I'm just waiting for Visual Studio to open up. Actually, I should close second Unity one. I don't need it. I hope it might. Don't save, please. Okay, I think it might speed up stuff. Okay, by the time, let me just show you the code. So it is going to be something like this. Don't get intermediate by its huge size. It's easy. You can see. First we start. We just need to find the rigid body. Okay, I don't think I should explain it over here. I might just show you guys over here. Okay, so we have Visual Studio opened up. It's loading. So now we have it open. So first thing is we want to say public float speed rigid body our body, and now we want to go our body. Let's do game object dot find. Oops, find component. Oh, it's get component. What am I doing? I don't remember. So this is so good. Let's just make a separate. Let's make it better. For moving the layer. Void move. Move. Type. Okay, wait. Float impv equals to input get axis vertical comma imph equals to input dot get axis horizontal. No, sorry, vertical. Okay, save that. Right now, what we are just going, we're just sensing. Oops, it should be horizontal. I was saying it, I don't know why. But now we are just taking the input of the player. If it's setting upper arrow or the sideways arrow, yeah, that stuff. And now over here we want to say if our body dot velocity dot magnitude is greater than or equal to speed I think it should be max speed, yeah, and then like at what rate it should accelerate. Now it's gonna give us an error which will sound like this. Now, yeah, so our body dot add force transform dot forward into acceleration. Moving forward. This thing is still incomplete. Let's forgot one more thing. INPV. Yeah. So right now, what does INT want to do? If you have hit no arrow keys, it's gonna be 0. So it's gonna add no force. The body is just gonna stay there. When we hit the upper arrow key, it's gonna be 1, and the body is gonna move forward. And if we hit the bottom one, it's gonna be -1. So we have done the first part. Now everything is correct. Now let's go to Unity and select the cube. Let's just move this aside. Yeah, this space is a little better. Okay, we went down. We drag this script and place it over here. Now we want to set the max acceleration to somewhere in 500. Yeah, 20. You just want to play with the values. Yeah, there's no way. There's no how to do everything you want to play over here. As you can see how it reads. Everything is fine. So like this. Oh, no, no. Oh, I get it. Okay. What's wrong with you? It's less than. See? You can make some mistakes. And now let's let compile. You can see this loading. Let it finish. Loading. So now it's unloading. Let's try again. It's running. Go that line. 400. Right now you can use 200. Then it's 100. Okay. For some now we want to rotate it like 100. So we will make a new function just to make the code a little cleaner, and it is a little complicated for rotating the player. It's now void rotate. You can have our own names, but it should make sense. Rotate. So in the rotating part, we will drag this over here. Say transform that transform that rotate. I'm sorry for going a little fast. Transform that up into input.get axis horizontal into ROTSPD, rotation speed, ROTSPD. Okay, it is done. Let's go over here. Wait for it to load. Okay, it's loading, 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 loading. It is loading, loading. Where is that? Here, it's over here. I guess about 10. Let's see. We'll move over here. It's rotating. Yeah, that's how we make it move. I guess it should be a little less. Let's go for 3. Yeah, a little too less. Well, you can change it. I like it this way. Don't worry, the game might be a little choppy here when you pause it. It will fine. Or even recording, another recording came back showing. It will fine. I'm recording just a little choppy. Okay, now the third problem falls and goes on forever. Well, you can fix that. It's a simple code, but I don't think I should show you now. Okay, I'll see if I time. Now we are going to create the jump one. Yeah, the jump one is the most trickiest one. When I started this thing, like when I was a beginner, like 2 years ago, it was extremely difficult for me. I couldn't understand it all, at all. Okay, and now we'll jump over here. Let's just save that. Go over here. Jump for JMP first. What is short for? Okay. So now first, in jumping, 2 things are involved. First, we'll see if we are touching the ground or not. So first, let's just have this thing have some sensible title. Oh, I don't know what happened. Let's just add a new tag and list and tell this thing ground. Oops, ground. Not ground, ground. Okay. Again, go to the plane and tag it ground. Hit Control S. That's done. Now, when we are jumping, we want to see if it's touching the ground. Or else what will happen? We'll just keep jumping and reach the skies. Yeah, and we don't want that to happen in our game. So let's just see the simple code of finding how to jump. So over here is the code. So what is this? This is just a simple code which I did when I started in Unity. You can see it's a collider array named call. It's gonna see if anything overlaps the physics sphere, like it's just gonna draw a box around it which you can't see. It's gonna see which items are in it. If there are any items, it's just gonna list their names in array, and for each loop we're just gonna find which one is tagged. Yeah, that much. Just copy this part. You know what, let me just write it over here. Collider call physics, oops, physics dot overlap box transform dot position vector 3 dot center transform that position goes to new vector 3. Yeah, we're just saying the dimensions. Just ignore it for a minute. Yeah, we should press F over here. And now transform dot rotation. Okay, so now we'll leave it like this. Oops. Let me see, is everything okay? And from the rotation, vector 3 position, okay. Now no problem. Now we're going to use the for each loop. Colliders ground in call if call dot game ground game object dot tag equal to ground. Okay, in this case sensitive, so be sure. Now we will want to type what should happen. So now this one I'm gonna add a simple bool. It's true or false. So bool can jump. Can he jump, or is he touching floor? Can jump equals true. Okay. So right now we have just done the exact same thing. Yeah, well, kind of the same thing. First thing we have to add, I just forgot yeah, and a break over here. So what it's doing right now is just it's going from can jump to break, or else what will happen in every for each loop there are like so many items, and there might be one item after it. It's just going to change to false, it won't jump, and that is what we don't want. So when this heavy part is done, let's go over here. If can jump, go over here, and we will just see the jump code. Now I don't exactly remember how it is. Oh well, it's simple. Let me just be lazy and copy that. No, let me just type. Yeah, it's again adding force to transform that up. That means we're sending it up. Into jump force. So right now what is happening, it's saying if it can jump, then it's gonna just do that logic jumping, and we're gonna say can jump Two shots. Mm-hmm. Good. Have this thing over here. This thing over here. This thing there. Kind of again. It's compiling. It's compiling. It's compiling. I want to cover myself. Let me make myself smaller and keep myself over here. What's happening in my life? Everything okay? Oh, why the hell did it change? I didn't demand the change. Well, it's not bothered if I do or if I don't. So you can now understand the problem. I didn't specify a condition that if I hit space or anything, it's jumping on its own. Yeah. So for this bug to go away, we just want to add a simple thing. And input dot get key. Oops, input dot get key down. Perfect. Space. Yeah, everyone needs a space.